Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again, and today I have a challenge lock from Steel Pinnings. It's in a quick set, based on a quick set, and there we go, pinned, come on focus, pinned by none other than Steel Pinnings on November the 20th. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And 5-pin, pretty good bidding there with number 1 right on the ground there, and really high cut on number 5, and it's extremely smooth. Can't feel anything on it. So this is another lock that Trekmaster sent me, and I'm finally getting to it. It's been in my naughty bucket for a while. Actually, they all have, because I probably wasn't quite ready for them at the time, but I needed something to challenge myself, like I always say, and that they did. They did challenge me. I only have 2 locks left in that box, and got lots of more stuff on the way. I have one huge package on the way. I think it's even more than 20 pounds, believe it or not. Can't wait to get that. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff in there. And I think I have something cool on the way from Leon as well. Leon's lock pad. So yeah, I have 2 locks left in this box, and this one, I'm not sure that I'll be doing a video on it. It's a pretty easy pick, but it's kind of a cool lock, so I thought I'd show you what it says on it. Unauthorized removal of this lock constitutes breaking and entering. LAI group. Anyway, enough about those locks. Let's try to get into this one from Steel Pinnings here. See if that fits. It's a little loose. I get my thicker one. That might be a little too thick, but that should work all right. And I'm going to use my trusty hook, my brass handle. I love this thing. I just really have the feel with it, and it's become my old faithful. I think everyone has their old faithful. Anyways, I'm going to use pretty heavy tension on this. Actually moderate tension, but I'm really going to be bullying these pins into place. It's what I found gets it open the easiest and fastest. A little click on 5. We got a false set there off of, I think it was 3. We're on 2, and it's extremely locked up, but there's nothing else to pick, so I'm going to go for it. I think what I found on this lock is there's a lot of oversetting and recovery, so I'm pretty anxious to see what's inside of this, as I always am. Nice click off 1 there, and absolutely oh, we're on 5 counter rotation, I believe. I think we got it. And there becomes a point where nothing at all gives you feedback, and I think I'm pretty well right there. So then we have to either reset or keep trying to bully something into place. I got counter rotation on 1, but I think that's a trap, I believe. Yeah. Four, five. Two. Five drop down. Oh, there we go. Awesome. That's faster than I got it open last time, but I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. Put this away, put that away, and I should have got my stuff ready. I'm always forgetting to do that, but take this out of the vise. Put that down there. Refocus. Gonna need that. Pitting tweezers and just a regular C-clip or Euro clip or whatever you want to call it. Should be able to take it off with my pokey device. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Put that back. Wish this thing would stay focused, but that's what we got. I don't think we need a shim. I think we can just push this bad boy out of there. Turn it like that. What's going on here? There we go. There we go. I'm seeing threading in 2, 4, and 5. I'll give you guys a better look at this in a second, but wow, if this thing would stay focused, it would be nice. So yeah, 2, 4, and 5. Let's take a look at the pins. My sun kind of just went behind a cloud, so we're not getting very good light right now. Should always have my lamp on standby. But I'm still learning, guys. Hopefully I'll work out a system here soon. Oh, that goes there. Get these arranged the right way. There's our overset problem there. Very nice serrations and a T-pin at the end of there. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got upstairs. Okay, let's take that out before it falls out. Try to get you guys a nice focus so we can see the way in which the pins come out. So there's a T-pin. Oh, it's a spool. Just the way that came out, I thought for sure it was a drunken spool. We'll take a better look at that in a second. And that one looks like another spool. Awesome. Okay, what do we have in number 3? Getting hard to see here. Take a look at that guy in a second. Oh, let that spring out of there. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. Spool, like that. Oh, lost the next one, but it was in like that. So that should be it. Okay, there's number 5 spring. And number 4. So all different springs. Actually, I think 3 of them might be the same. We'll give you a close-up of this in a second. As for the Bible, we have 2, 3, and 5. See 2, there you go, 2, 3, and 5 are threaded. Alright, not bad. I'm happy to get this thing again out of the naughty bucket so I can get it sent on to the next guy. So that matched up as it did in the plug there, and take a look at these pins. Grab my pointer. So basically all the bottom pins were serrated. This one had a spool element to it with a sharp edge, and this one had a T-pin element to it. At the top we had this really deep spool, this T-pin. Actually, that's a spool. Kind of looks like a T-pin through the camera, but hopefully I'll get a better camera one of these days, guys. A drunken spool here. Those actually gave me some trouble when I actually, even to this day, they still give me some trouble. A spool with serration here. Oh. And just a straight up, actually you could probably call that a serrated with a double spool element to it. And the springs, steel, brass, steel, copper, I believe. So very nice lock. Steel Pinnings did a great job on this. He's known for building quite a nasty lock. Trekmaster, thanks again for all the locks you sent me. Steel Pinnings, great job, bud. And everyone else, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick a lock that you don't own or have the permission to pick. Alright guys, have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.